Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the grid features or grid tools on your camera on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing, let's check our camera first. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and let's open the camera. And if you can see here, there is no grid line on my camera. It's just so empty. And the way to activate the grid, you just need to go back into your home screen and go open your settings. And now you just need to scrolling down until you found the camera section, which is this part, and then you just need to go click it to open it. And now you need to take a look on these compositions, and there will be a grid options here. To turn it on, you just need to click this button until the color is changing. And now let's check either the grid is already popped up on our camera or not by open the camera back, and you can see now you already have the grid. So actually the grid here will help you to get the best position when you taking the picture. So that is the way how to activate the grid tools or grid lines on your camera. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.